This is not where I thought I would be at 30, but sometimes rebuilding doesn't look impressive. Sometimes it looks like moving back home, starting over, healing quietly, learning peace, and letting God rebuild your life from the ground up. And honestly, this little loft became holy ground for me. Make sure you follow for part 2 of this series.